In this quick tutorial, we will briefly explain how you can track your trips on ShareTheRideNC.org. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to Log My Commute in the top menu and then click My Commute Calendar in the drop-down box. You'll be greeted with your commute calendar, where you can input and track your commutes. Start by identifying your commute mode of choice in the Travel Mode area to the left, and click and drag the icon to your intended date. Here, you'll be able to input origin and destination addresses. Identify if your commute is a one-way trip or includes a return trip, as well as departure times. Once satisfied, click Saved to see the calendar update with your commute. Consider saving the trip by clicking the Save icon in the top right corner of the calendar date. You'll be able to give it a name before confirming. Going forward, you can simply drag your saved commute to the calendar for added convenience. Don't be afraid to input multiple modes to your calendar. You can even input multiple modes on the same day if, for example, you rode the bus and biked the last mile. Thank you for using ShareTheRideNC.org and happy commuting.
Visit ShareTheRideNC.org or download the Share the Ride NC app today.